Yo, what's going on YouTube? Alright, so it's freaking currently like 60 degrees out in freaking Ohio. It's freaking crazy, right? It's like the first nice day. But yeah, I'm just gonna go hit up some twisties in the metros real quick. I don't think I've gone there on my R6 yet, actually. Maybe like a couple times, but not a lot. I'm gonna head there now. But yeah, I'll just catch you guys when I get there then. Alright, we're almost there. But yeah, I just want to hit the metro, the metros real quick because, well, first, I don't want chicken strips. Two, I want to get better. I want to get better with my like cornering and just turning in general. That's just part of the reason why I want to go to the track, so I get more comfortable with my bike, you know. But yeah, I also haven't been there in a little minute, so I'll go shred it up real quick. I'm not gonna go like, you know, crazy. I just want to practice on my just my turning and all that shit. Maybe dragging a knee or two. Did you guys hear that little echo off the wall? Ooh, spicy. Let's see if we can go without stopping. Ooh, without putting my feet down and stopping. Ooh, we did it. Uh-oh. Cops. No way, it's blocked off. No, I wanted to hit the twisties. Dang it. Why is it blocked off? What do you guys want to do now? I don't know what to do. Ooh. But 2 weeks. 2 weeks. You'll see. You guys will see. Ah! Damn, that sucks. I like that road too. That was my favorite road. What do you guys want to talk about though? What should we talk about? I didn't think this through yet. Get out of my way. Alright, I think I know where there's some good roads at. I think. Okay, either know where I'm at or I have no clue where I'm at. I mean, I have a little idea where I'm at. But when I get on this road, I'm gonna have no idea where I'm at. Oh, whatever. Let's go on a little venture, I guess. I don't know which way to go. Left, probably. I don't even know this road. I don't really know what road am I on. Oh, this road sucks. I'm sorry, baby. Woohoo! I think I know where I'm at, baby. There's a good road up ahead too, I think. Oh yes. I can't believe this road got me over here. Let's go. I think there's supposed to be a good road up ahead. Oh, it's a good view. You guys probably can't see it with all that trees though. It's looking nice. Alright, time to sit back. Ah. Could just glide close down. Oh shit, there's someone behind me. There's someone behind me. I don't have mirrors, so I don't know if like people are behind me or not. I'm busy chilling back. There's probably a dude behind me going like 30 an hour. I think the good road's up ahead, to be honest. I think. Is it this one? Yeah. I think it is this one. Oh, is that, what the? Damn, there's salt and shit too. I forget how this road goes too, so I gotta, you know. Oh shit. Oh my god, I don't like this road. With all this shit on it, bruh. like it. I like it. I have no idea where it takes me after this. Whatever, I'm around to stop for the ride, for the cruise, baby. And if you guys just like cruise videos, just, let me know in the comments. Just a chill little cruise, because I definitely enjoy them. They feel nice. It just feels good to get out, to be honest. Okay, I'm actually lost. I don't even know where I'm at. Is anyone behind me? I don't know where to go. Should we go left? I feel like I should go left. Yeah, screw it, let's go left, I guess. See, there's a traffic law. I don't want to get freaking. I just saw these arrows, so I'm like, ooh, let's go towards the arrows. Oh, and this road is ass. Dude, I hate Ohio roads. They're so bad. So bad. Get me out of here, yo. These things suck. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, let's go. There's another good road up here. Guys, you know what I was doing when I was, like, I tried going full tuck, but, like, for me, it's so hard to bring my neck all the way up to just even, like, look straight ahead. I think it's because my backpack that's on. I don't know. How do you guys do that shit? Alright. I need a steering stabilizer! Alright, here we go. At least these ones aren't closed. When that wheel comes up and gets a little like wobbly, oh, I hate it, dude. I need to get a steering stabilizer ASAP, but oh, old people. Yeah, what was I talking about? I need a steering stabilizer. But yeah, because without a steering stabilizer, it's just freaking so sketchy sometimes because of how fast it goes. Ooh, what's up, single moms? Who else is into single moms here, baby? But yeah, steering stabilizer is literally like 600 plus bucks maybe. It just depends where you get it from, I guess, but they're expensive. Give me the twisties already. Well, there's dog. Oh, she's gonna start barking. No, I didn't. For some reason, dog. Whenever I see a dog, they always start like try to run into the street and kill me for some reason. I don't know why. Be straight. Ooh, wet. Not good. Look at that view though. Look at that view though. He was checking it out. He likes his bike. He likes it. Oh, and of course there's water. Yeah, I'm not trying to go down. Never mind, bro. I'm not riding in these twisties anymore. These suck. There's just too much water and shit. It's just terrible. It's just terrible. Yeah, damn, this sucks. God, dude, why is it? I swear, there's always, whenever I try to go into Metro Parks or something, there's always one car in front of me. Like, always. If it's not that, there's two cars or something, you know, some bullshit. I'm not trying to pass them. I don't know. I don't really want to do that. Especially with these shitty ass roads. They're like real sketch. I'm not trying to go down. It's not worth it. I guess we're just going on a chill little ride. Oh, it's safe, bro. Look at that view. The hell not all ugly. This actually sucks. So many. Ooh. I guess we're just gonna go with them all the way through.